Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to Java series part 20. In a last video we saw what is hybrid inheritance. In this video we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance. So first remember one point, Java not support multiple inheritance. But you can't say directly in an interview Java not support multiple inheritance only. Then interviewer asks why not support inheritance, why not Java support a multiple inheritance. Then you have to remember few points. The first point is that to reduce the complexity and simplify the language. Multiple inheritance is not support in a Java for reduce the complexity. Then second point is if we have a two base class and both class have a same method, then derived class confused and it create ambiguity to which class method execute. That's why multiple inheritance is not present in a Java. Then since compile time error is better than runtime error, compiler only not allowed to extend multiple classes. If you try to extend multiple class, then compiler only throw the error. Because this few point Java not support multiple inheritance. Okay. Then you can see in this diagram here we have a class A, class B and class C. These three classes are a base class and class N is a derived class. You can see here we have a multiple parent class and a single child class. Let's consider here class A have a one show method, class B also have a one show method and class C also have a show method. That time if we extend this three class N confuse which show method should be execute. That's why Java not support multiple inheritance. So I hope you understand why Java not support multiple inheritance. So we will see next topic in a next video. Let's bye bye.